Welcome to tasks. This is the best way to herd the cats that you are taking on your epic trip. So in this case, we don't have any tasks, so we're going to have to get started from scratch. We're going to make a new one. We're going to walk you through all the different kinds of tasks you can make. So our first example is your classic sign a waiver form example. So we'll go ahead and use that one. Sign your waiver form. And we're going to require that prior to the trip. And in this case, we want everyone to do it. In another example, we'll show you how to restrict the visibility. So the instructions here are going to say, please digitally sign your waiver form or upload a scanned copy. Now you're going to look at the required response type. Because what you want is a document from them, you're going to choose document only. Now, this is going to require that they submit a document. If you did not want to require the document to be submitted, you could choose a simple done response and an optional document. But that doesn't really make sense in the case of a waiver form because that's obviously required. Then the next question that you need to consider is whether or not you want to review each one as they come in, or if you simply want to know that they're there and access them whenever you need to. So waiver forms are kind of important, so you may want to review each one, especially if you're working in a team. You may also want to be notified for each response. If it's a simple question, you may not want to receive an email for each response. But in this case, because it's the waiver form and they can't travel without it, we're going to say yes. Now you can see this showing up, and you can see that because we have indicated that it's for everyone, there are going to be 3 people who see it because we have 3 invitees on this trip who have said yes. So we can click on that, and already we can see here are the 3 people who are going to see this task. And we can see what they see by clicking View As. Now I'm looking at this trip as Ahmed Atame, and we can see their tasks. And we can see that he only has 1 task out of 1 remaining. And we can see the instructions. He can either click the Respond Now there, or click the tick mark on the right. From here we can add a file. And let's choose a random file. And he has the option of leaving an optional message as well. He's also told that he will be notified when the planner has reviewed because this is the type of task that requires a review. Now he's completed it, it goes green, and then it fades and it says all done. So he knows that he doesn't have any more tasks to complete.